Budlat. Unsa na budlat oy? Unsa na budlat? Kapoy budlat? Gutom budlat ay. Gutom na ni si budlat do. Gutom na budlat oy. Ang budlat. Gigutom di ay. Nalimpyo nang naong. Lanimuta. Limpyo nang naong. Muna mayo. Guwapo. Guwapo kaayo. Muna mayo budlat no. Budlat no. Very good man ni si budlat. Very good budlat oy. Very good budlat na. Very good budlat oy. Yaon ta budlat. Yaon ka budlat. Wait budlat ha kay. Init pa budlat. Very good. Very good budlat oy. Butan ni si budlat. Bisag dili ni ako butan ni si budlat. Musugat ni sa kuha diri. Even though it's not mine. Budlat come to the shop at the time that I open the store. And then, of course, if I carry some foods, asking like that. Very cute budlat. Very cute si budlat. Oy. Always come ha. When I open the store ha. I feed with you. Freely. Budlat no. Butan man ni si budlat. No. Butan budlat. Oy, this is not mine. But always come here in the store and asking foods. And then if have sick, I let it also give medicine. So now completely become cure the sickness of budlat. Very lucky, very lucky. Very lucky and cute puppy. Now active. Almost 2 weeks. No, 2 weeks, a month. That I never been video with budlat because got sick. Got sick like I don't know what kind of sick is that. That very skinny. And now completely back to normal. Because of the medicine I let it drink. Budlat, here. Even it's not mine, I care about. Because I am friendly. Friendly with the dog. Ara. Basta friendly sa dog no, inana gid no. That no. Basta nice pud nga dog no. Eat. Dali, come here. Come ka. Eat ah. Wait ha, kay birihat pa na. Wait a minute. Budlat oh. Sit down. Sit down. Down first. Wow. Asam to imong sounds be? Asa imong sounds? With the way you asked. Asa imong sounds mga ikag pagkaon? Be. Sit down sa. Down budlat be. Down na budlat. Init to man ni budlat eh. Init. Dilihat budlat. So thank you for watching my friends, viewers, followers, subscribers.